or even long-term respiratory damage. These tiny particles can penetrate deep into the lungs and enter the bloodstream and pose significant irreversible. The air we breathe, it's fundamental. But do you know it's not at all clean? With every breath, we are inhaling invisible threats into our system, which is slowly degrading the performance of human body and reducing our lifespan unknowingly. PM 2.5 refers to fine particulate matter that is 2.5 micrometers or less in diameter. According to WHO, annual average PM 2.5 for safer human living must be in the range of 5 to 15 micrograms per cubic meter. But do you know what is the PM 2.5 average in most top cities in India? It's very bad and unlivable. Apart from wearing an N95 mask, we can't control the bad air outside. But for indoors, the only temporary solution left is to have an air purifier for our homes, at our offices, and probably for our cars as well. So today we have one such product with us, that is the Xiaomi Air Purifier 4. This is the box package of the product. I bought this product a couple of months ago from Amazon for 14,000 rupees, and now we are doing an in-depth review of the same. The product is well packaged in this polystyrene bins to prevent damage during transportation. It has a power cable inside the box and some paperwork which talks about the product, basically its manual and also the warranty information guide. This product offers dust and pollen filtration, negative air ionization, has a low noise of operation, and is compact and lightweight. The product dimensions are 250 x 250 x 555 millimeters, 555 millimeters being the height. And it weighs just 5.6 kilograms and is made up of ABS type plastic material. This Xiaomi air purifier is capable of filtering and purifying the air from pet odors, pet hair, smoke, cooking fumes, pollen, dust, dander, construction dust, and many more such particles which will be in our air and continuously harming our body. This product has a sleek and an elegant design which suits and blends well with our home. It has rubber shoes for firm grip. It comes in this white color which is suitable for most home interiors as well. From the design aspect, this is well covered. This air purifier is called Tower Style Air Purifier. In order to set up this product, you can simply download this Xiaomi Home app from the Play Store or App Stores, and then in the next few minutes, I will show you how to set up the purifier using your app. You need to pull this sticker which will be attached to the back surface, and then you have to remove the cover from this filter. When you initially purchase the product, the filter will be placed in this cover. When you remove the cover and then you place back the filter and close the back lid. And that's it. That is the installation process. Then you just insert the power cable or the power cord to the socket that is provided, and then you just put it to your plug point and your setup is completed. This air purifier has air intake vents at the lower surface, where the purifier draws in the polluted air from the room as a first step. The second step of the process is the filtration, where the air then passes through the filters inside this unit, which is the HEPA H13 filter in this case, where pollutants and odors are removed. The step 3 is clean air output is given through the top fan, which is responsible for expelling the clean filtered air back into the room. It pushes the purified air upwards and outwards, creating a circulation pattern that helps in distribution of clean air throughout your space. This is the basic operation principle of this tower-based air purifier. Now let's talk about the heart of any air purifier, which is the filter. While buying any air purifier, please avoid HEPA style or HEPA-like filters, and please opt for true HEPA or HEPA filters. So what's HEPA? High efficiency particulate air, which is a standard set by United States Department of Energy. There are levels to HEPA filters used in air purifiers: H11, H12, H13, H14, whereas the H13 and H14 is the latest one. This Xiaomi Air Purifier 4 has H13 based filter, which is very good. The filters usually last between 6 to 12 months based on the usage and the conditions you live in. Now let's go ahead and set up our air purifier using our Xiaomi Home app. So this is the app on my phone, and let's go to the home page, and when you click on the plus icon, you will get an option to add device, and you can turn on the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for the device or your mobile phone to start scanning for the nearby air purifier. And when you turn on the Bluetooth, it will automatically recognize the air purifier that you have nearby, and you need to connect this air purifier to your 2 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, because this air purifier supports 2G internet only. So when you enter your password and connect to your Wi-Fi, this air purifier gets connected to your Wi-Fi, and you will be able to control that using this app. Just set in which room you are setting up this air purifier and set a custom name for your air purifier. This will be helpful if you are using multiple air purifiers like me in your home. And let's go ahead, and you can also invite your family members to use the air purifier together. They need to also have the app, and multiple people can control this air purifier. This is suitable when many people live in the family. So that's it. This is the setup of the entire air purifier on the app. As you can see, it shows the air quality is moderate. That is, the PM 2.5 levels is around 55. In my area, it will be usually around 60 to 100 depending upon the time of the day and also the season as well. In summers, it will be generally lower, and in winters, it will be generally higher. And also, these are the different settings. There is this fan levels that is present, auto mode is present, sleep, manual mode is present. You can also set up the schedules. There is this negative ionization technology or negative ion filtering option that is present. And here in the settings within the app, there is the screen brightness of the OLED display for your air purifier that is present. You can even turn off that screen, and also you can set up a child lock, which is important when there are children in the home. And you can also update the firmware of the air purifier right from the app over here. And also, this air purifier supports the Google Home and Amazon Alexa technology, so that you can just control the air purifier using your voice. You can use Hey Google and just make sure that you control this air purifier with your voice as well. So these are certain basic settings that is present, and also, as you can see, you can pair multiple different air purifiers to this specific app or the Xiaomi app, and you can control many other things like switch on and switch off as well. According to my experience, apart from updating the firmware of your purifier, you don't need the app for using the air purifier on a regular basis. This Xiaomi Air Purifier 4 offers triple layer filtration and eliminates 99.99% of most dust and smoke particles. I am using it in my living room for the past 2 months, and in order to test it, I opened the door of the house, put on agarbattis and dhoop in order to increase the PM 2.5 levels of the room to up to 200 plus, and turned on this air purifier in automatic mode. Closed all the doors, and it took around 25 minutes to bring down the PM 2.5 levels from 204 to under 41, which is a very good thing. And if you live in extremely polluted areas, this product is a must. And this particular Xiaomi Air Purifier 4 with true HEPA filters can bring down your PM 2.5 levels to a healthy value within just a few minutes. The filter in this product is actually a true HEPA with antibacterial and antiviral coating, and also is having activated carbon. And this product has TUV Rhineland certification for allergy care protection. Second most important thing in air purifiers is the CADR values. So what's CADR? CADR stands for Clean Air Delivery Rate. It measures the volume of clean air that an air purifier can produce per hour. Essentially, it tells you how quickly the air purifier can remove pollutants like dust, pollen and smoke from a room. A higher CADR indicates that air purifier can clean the air more quickly. This Xiaomi Air Purifier 4 has a CADR value of up to 400 cubic meters per hour, which means that it can deliver 400 cubic meters of clean air per every hour. This is more than sufficient for medium-sized living rooms of up to 510 square feet. Now coming to the sound. This air purifier has a very minimal sound of operation of around 32.1 dBA. dBA stands for A-weighted decibels. This is a measurement of sound level that closely corresponds to how a human ear perceives loudness. 32.1 dBA is a very low noise level. To give more context, a whisper is around 30 decibels, a quiet library is around 40 decibels. Therefore, 32.1 dBA indicates that the air purifier operates very quietly when in night mode. During the normal mode or during the time of the day, you will not be able to notice the sound that it makes, and in auto mode, it will always be in silent operation itself. It has a bright, colorful OLED display which gives real-time updates, offering intuitive indoor air quality data with real-time PM 2.5 display. It also helps adjust your purification settings with a simple touch control button and beep sounds. This display can also be child locked as well to prevent accidental touches. As per my usage in the last 2 months, I have found that the auto mode of this air purifier is the best mode. When you enter the room, for the first few minutes, you can keep this air purifier in high speed or the 3-speed mode. Later, after 5 minutes, you can switch on the auto mode, which is more efficient in long-term usage. Auto mode monitors real-time PM 2.5 values and automatically adjusts the purification speeds. This air purifier also has laser precision sensor which will be able to detect particulate matter in air, and laser sensors are known for their accuracy and ability to detect very small particles. In this case, the sensor uses a laser beam to detect and count particles that pass through it, and can monitor particles as small as 0.1 micrometers. This level of sensitivity allows the device to give a very accurate reading of air quality. Will be able to suck in most dust particles in your air. This is a map view as per the WHO guidelines, which shows 24-hour PM 2.5 averages. According to WHO standards, it should be less than 15 micrograms per cubic meters or less. As I said in the intro, as you can see, the PM 2.5 values for most top cities in India, such as Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, are above the range of 100. And in some places like Delhi or in some places of Mumbai, as you can see, it is more than 200 or even 250 plus, which is scary. Poor air quality means a range of health issues, from simple irritations like itchy eyes to sore throat to more serious permanent problems like asthma, allergies, or even long-term respiratory damage. These tiny particles can penetrate deep into the lungs and enter the bloodstream and pose significant irreversible health risks. So for indoor conditions, air purifier products like this is a must-have tech product in our homes. So one of the most important aspects of an air purifier is its replacement filter. If you live in a highly polluted area and use the air purifier for a longer period of time during the day, then you might have to replace your filter within 6 months. Usually the filter lasts for 8 to 10 months, and the replacement filter actually costs 3,000 rupees. As of now, it is actually out of stock. It will keep happening like that. It will go out of stock and come back in stock because this product is always in high demand. As you can see, this is the actual product page of the replacement filter, and I will be giving the link of this product page and also the Amazon page in the description if you want to purchase a replacement filter. So that's it for this video, guys. The product link is in the description, and I have given links to other air purifiers which I recommend apart from this, and the other ones that I'm using as well. So that's it for this video, guys. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button. Comment what you thought about this video in the comment section below. If you have more questions, please let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.